There we go. That was the one I wanted right there.
Whew. That shit's cold. That's how you do.
Still on.
Yeah. Yeah. 30 years old. Still have it kind of there. But then I do this. So.